Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nathan with GDS Detailing. It's a rainy day here in Texas, but that's okay. We still have an appointment that we need to go to. That being said, it's about to get dark. We only have about 2 hours, an hour and a half of sunlight, so we have to work kind of fast, but we have our flashlights ready to go. But yeah, let's go. My truck broke down today, so we're gonna be using Edgar's. But yeah, let's go. I'll see you over there. All right, guys, we just got here at the appointment. We're working on a 2023 F-250. We got the generator running, the setup. We are out here in the country, so this vehicle is pretty dirty. We're only working on the interior today. It is pretty muddy. There's dog hair, dirt. It looks like, you know, they use it for their work or just for the farm use. Hey, Edgar, what you think, man? You think we can finish before it gets too dark?
We have to finish. We got about 2 hours of sunlight left, but it's already pretty dark outside. And it's super cold, it's very windy, and I think the car is a little bit dirtier than we expected, so we're gonna have to hurry up. Unfortunately, the customer booked at 4 p.m. It's the earliest he could do it, and he wants it done, so gotta take care of it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna get it done, guys. If we have to work in the dark, we have to work in the dark. Other bad thing is it's pretty muddy out here, so we're gonna have quite a bit of a challenge to clean the inside without getting it all dirty all over again, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, guys, we're about an hour in to this detail. I think it's going pretty smooth. I think the truck's coming out a lot cleaner than I was expecting it to be. At least that wasn't so hard as I thought it would be. It is getting dark. There's some cows over there. Sun's setting. Edgar's already pretty much done with his side. I'm still working on the driver area since that's typically where it gets most muddy. How's it going, Edgar?
We're about an hour in. We still got quite a bit to do. We're gonna take care of these small little plastics. Gotta do the mats. And then we're gonna work on the seats. The sun's going down. I already set up the flashlights. We'll be turning them on in a little bit.
Yeah, we already got the light bar ready to go, so we won't be interrupted when the sun goes down. This back area looking pretty good. Edgar's doing a good job. We're gonna continue. We still have to clean the floors a little bit. We need to finish the driver area. And then we need to clean up the seats. They are cloth seats, so I might have to shampoo them, but me and Edgar are kind of debating it, so we'll see. But we'll update you here in a minute. Alright, guys, we're about finished with this detail. Went ahead and finished up these seats. I cleaned them with our shampoo pre-spray, and then I steam cleaned them. I think they came out pretty good. They were a little dirty when we got here, but I think they came out pretty nice. Edgar's just finishing up putting the dressing on the trims and the plastics. I just need to do some final touches on the inside. Edgar just needs to finish the floor mats real quick, but this light bar came in handy. It doesn't even look like it's that dark outside, but it's pitch black out. What you think, man?
Well, first of all, it's super cold. Pretty much done, so that's good. It's pitch black right now. All the lights, even this little handheld one, they're working out pretty good. Don't recommend, working out in the dark, but if customer requires it and that's the only availability, then you got to get it done. So hopefully, we didn't miss anything. That's my biggest concern, that since it's dark, we can't really see something and we miss it, and then the customer gets upset. So I'm gonna make sure that he looks over the whole entire vehicle, make sure he's happy with it. That way we don't have to come back. I'm gonna double check it again, and I'll have Nathan double check it again. That way we won't miss anything.
Alright, guys, so we're finished up with that detail. It got dark on us and it got really cold outside, but luckily we had the light bar to help us finish up the vehicle. And luckily, we got these nice jackets to keep us warm. Customer's super happy at the very end. He actually also gave us a tip on top of the price. We charged $280 for that detail. Took us about 3 hours on the dot, pretty much. Also, while we were in the middle of that detail, somebody had booked appointment for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and it's actually the coldest day of this whole winter season tomorrow. So we're gonna have to see how that's gonna work out. I'm not looking forward to it, and I know Edgar isn't looking forward to working in the cold. It's gonna be even colder than it is right now. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. We're gonna try to record a little bit for tomorrow, see how that goes. If you got any tips for detailing in the winter, let us know. We'll definitely share some of our tips with y'all also. But yeah, you guys keep warm, y'all keep grinding, and make sure y'all share this video with everybody you know and subscribe. But thanks for watching.